Attention nursing students. You are not bad at tests. You are using the wrong strategy. Welcome to the Nurse Career Blueprint channel. I am Nurse Miriam. If you think you're bad at tests, this video is for you. If your NCLEX scores are stuck and you're starting to doubt yourself, I need you to hear this. You are not bad at tests. You are using the wrong strategy. And today I'm going to show you what to fix. Let me say this clearly. You are not bad at tests. You passed anatomy. You passed pharmacology. You survived clinicals. You made it through nursing school. That is not someone who is bad at tests. But if your NCLEX practice scores are stuck, if you freeze during SATA questions, if you change answers constantly, if you walk out of exams feeling defeated, it is not about intelligence. It is the strategy, and the strategy can be fixed. The line nursing students start believing after failing a test or scoring low on a question bank, many students tell themselves, I'm just not a good test taker. Maybe I'm not cut out for this. Everyone else gets it, but me. What's happening is this. You are studying content, but the NCLEX tests clinical judgment. Those are two different skills. Please subscribe for more NCLEX success tips. Why content alone doesn't raise your score? Most students reread notes, highlight textbooks, watch hours of lectures, or memorize disease symptoms. But the NCLEX is not asking, what is hyperthyroidism? It is asking which patient is most unstable. That is a thinking exam, not a recall exam. If you prepare as if the NCLEX is a memorization test, your scores will stall. What is really happening? When students miss questions, it is usually because they do not identify what the question is really testing. They do not recognize priority, who is dying first, and they do not understand stable versus unstable. They do not eliminate unsafe answers. They are overthinking and changing answers. None of those are intelligence problems. They are strategy problems. The strategy shift that changes everything. Instead of asking, what disease is this? Start asking, what is the safety issue? Who is the unstable patient? What is the priority action? Is this acute or chronic? When you shift from memorizing to decision making, your brain starts thinking like a nurse. That is when scores rise. For example, why smart students still get questions wrong. A question gives 4 patients. You know all 4 diagnoses, but you pick the one you remember most instead of the one whose airway is compromised. NCLEX does not reward knowledge. It rewards safety judgment. That is why high achievers sometimes struggle. They know too much content, but they have not trained for priority thinking. If your NCLEX practice scores are stuck at 55 to 65%, that's not failure. That is a sign you need refinement. You likely know the material. You understand the diseases. You just need better elimination skills. You need stronger priority recognition, and you also need to slow down and analyze. That's coachable and fixable. How to know if it is strategy, not intelligence? Ask yourself, do I often narrow it down to 2 answers? Do I change correct answers? Do I feel rushed or anxious? Do I review rationales quickly? If yes, you don't need more content. You need better question analysis. What strong test takers actually do. They read the last sentence first, identify the concept being tested, eliminate unsafe answers immediately, focus on instability, and review rationales deeply. They do not do 5,000 questions. They do smarter reviews. Recap, you are not bad at tests. You are learning a new skill, which is clinical judgment under pressure, and that takes training. Once you learn how the NCLEX thinks, how priority works, how to eliminate distractors, and how to spot instability. You stop guessing, you start choosing. There is a difference. If this video helped shift your mindset, remember, your score is not a measure of your intelligence. It's feedback about your strategy. Once you change how you approach questions, your results will change. Keep training your thinking, keep refining your strategy, and do not let one score define your future as a nurse. Check out nursecareerblueprint.com for a freebie for the NCLEX. Please subscribe, leave your comments, and share the video with others. Thanks for watching.